Do you ever cut anything on your mill that's not rotten? That's what a guy asked me, and I said, well, nope, I guess not. So we're gonna try and see if this is rotten or if I got any spalting in it. I know I got spalting on this end, but I also have rot. So I don't know what we're doing or what we're gonna get. Your guess is as good as mine, I guess. Probably rotten. I'm guessing rotten. What do you guess? I think I'll try and see if I can get a 2.5 inch slab out of that. See if it's spalted. I don't know if it is. I don't know what's going on with it. Like I said, it's probably rotten and it'll probably be firewood. But we're gonna give it a shot. Just over 8 there and almost 8 there. So we're good. Well, got a mouse house in this side and some rot up here. So I don't think it's gonna turn out to be anything. I have no spalting in here. I just have spalting around the edge, which I consider rot. So I don't think I'm going to get anything out of this. The other end does look good for spalting. It has spalting right through the center, you know, right all the way to the center of it, but I don't know if it's just rot. I think it's just rot. So I don't think it's going to turn out. So let's see what that did, if that just rotted away, or I think it's rot. Of course, I think spalting is rot anyway. I've always thought that. There's a little bit of rot right here, this piece here, and then down here there's no spalting in the middle of it here, just along the edges. It looks cool, but I don't think it'll hold up. I don't think that next slab will hold up in the kiln. I don't know, we'll get up there and see what that next slab looks like. What do you guys think? I think it's too much rot. And not too much rot and not enough spalting. Just rotted. Just rotted around the edges, that's all. Yep, just rotted around the edges. It feels like, no. Just rotted around the edges, that's it. That's all we're getting out of it. Dang it. Not spalted all the way through, just rotted. Nice little ant tracks there, and rot. Rot and ant tracks, that's it. No good. So now you have to decide, do you still want to slab this? Or do you want to make stickers out of it? We'll turn it over, see what the other half looks like, and then we'll decide. We don't have to make any decisions right now, right? What the heck? Okay. I'm gonna need that moved because of this knot. I'm gonna have to move it down here. See if I can get away from that knot. I don't have to get totally away from the knot, but I've got to get a little bit further than I am. There we go. That should be good right there. Far enough. We'll try a slab now, 2.5 inch. That blade fucking really screwed that up. But you see this? You see that hump? You see how that's not straight?
Yeah, I saw you see that over there.
And I could feel it when it was coming out of there. So that blade's no good. I just put that blade on too, but it's no good. I'm gonna go bust out a brand new blade out of the pack.
All right, I want to see that.
And try that because I just got some brand new blades. Well, what it now is take that hump out of it. Take off a little thin piece. Take that hump out of it. I'm running quite a bit of diesel. I don't need that much. You see that last, you see the hump in it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's straight.
You see it when you did it.
Right. It straightened that right out. Big, you know, big hump here when I did it, and now it's straight. Real thin down there, real fat up here.
Is that a burner?
Yeah. You want it? I did not get the spalting. One more time. No spalted maple. You got it, you know, here, but that's because it's all rotten. But we didn't get any. This is just clear, nice clear maple. Which I don't know if anybody looked at this live edge slab. I'm down pretty far.